Uh, we were talking about ways to make money online. We were talking about launch jacking, and so launch jacking is finding a product that's going to go live, just like a company goes live on the stock exchange, and everybody makes money the first day. So when an app or a software goes live, all of the affiliate marketers send their emails to promote the product, and like 1%, 2% convert, they make sales. The rest of those people run to Google and search the product and find out more about the product. So you find an item that's going to go live in 2 months from now. You build a simple web page to rank for the keywords for that product, and so it's 2 months before, so you start ranking it. You start building it, and you start ranking, optimizing it for keywords. So then when those people get the email, they're going to run to Google. They search Google, your website comes up. Now they're reading your sales page. You convert them into, they've already been piqued. They're already interested. All you have to do is warm them up. Your affiliate links at the bottom, send them to the offer, you get a commission. That's launch jacking. It sounds easy. It is easy. Launch jacking, what's getting launched, and find the software and jack it. So you're going to find a product that will go live in 6 to 8 weeks, and you're going to build a simple web page, okay, or a sales letter or a video of the product. It could be a video, could be a YouTube video, could be a sales letter, could be a web page. And you're going to use what's called SEO, which is search engine optimization. That's how you're going to rank on Google, and you're going to rank on Google's first page. You're going to rank on YouTube and everywhere else. There's a search engine optimization. That's how your stuff is going to get found on the internet. Okay, so that being said, how do you find these things, right? Well, there's websites, and I'm going to show you one in a minute. So you go to this website, and you look like 2 months down the line to something that's going to go live, and then you're going to build a website, and you're going to in the website when you build it, and of course you're going to say, Jim, I can't build a website. I have a software where there's templates, and all you have to do is copy and paste, cut and paste, and pretty simple stuff. You get the hang of it really quick. I can make a simple website in half an hour with the template. But you put all the keywords in there, so you're going to search. You're going to rank for the search engine, and you're going to since you're going to rank because you're going to be there before anybody else is searching for those keywords. You're going to build up so that when they do start searching for them, you're going to be the one there already, right? And they're going to find you. So the offer goes live. Okay, all the affiliate marketers get together. They send out their email campaigns, and the people open the emails, and a certain amount of them buy. The rest of them are going to go to Google to search, right? They're going to find your article, your web page, or the blog, or the post, or the video that you made, about the product. Okay, they're going to click your link. Now, there's a way for you to collect their email so you can start your own email list, okay, because that's a whole nother thing, and that's something you should be doing right away. And then it starts an email autoresponder where you start sending them emails down the line, and you can start converting at 1%, 2% every time, okay? And certain percentages are going to make purchases, but when they don't make purchases, you have their email, and you can keep sending them emails. That's the key. Building an email list. Email is key, all right? That's how you do it. Now, you say to yourself, all right, that sounds all great, but how do you know when these things will go live? How do you know? How do you find these apps, these softwares and stuff? All right. Well, there is a website called Muncheye. All right. So here we are on Muncheye. Okay. They have an eye on all the launches that happen. They have big launches on this side and all launches. So you would come down. It's all by date. Okay. We're going to come down at the time right now. It is the 15th of February. So we would go down anything after the 15th of March is 1 month. So you want to go a little further, but we're going to go to, okay, this one right here. This is a PLR podcast marketing school. It's a $10 item. You're going to get 100% commission. You're going to sell it for $10. You're going to get 100% commission. And it's a sales funnel, and you're going to get a certain percentage of the other sales, the upsells that happen. And it's a PLR product, which means public label rights, meaning you have the rights to, after you buy it, you can resell it. Okay. So what you would do is you would go to Google right now, okay, on the 15th of February, and you would search this product. Okay. So I'm going to go here. This is Muncheye. They're going to give you a little bit more on it. So it's Pinnacle. So you're going to search Pinnacle on Google. So you come up to Google, you search Pinnacle, and you look to see what's going on. So they have the company website, which is a normal thing, right? And then they have a YouTube video, which is probably from the company. and then they don't have any websites that have the name in it or a keyword in it, okay, that comes up. So you would make a website, simple website, that would rank for the keywords, for Pinnacle, you know, for the product. Then when people search the product, that they come up and they search, they get your page. All right. So now you would need a software to build a website and to get this all started. All right. No, that's not it. This is a template. Okay, so the software was Builderall, and this is a template for a website. And this is drag and drop. You can put your own title here. You can put the offer of whatever it is here. Okay, you can change this. Is all cut and paste. You can, you know, the service or whatever it is. You can put a title here, title there, what the product is, introducing the product with photos. You can change all the photos, 5 reasons to buy it. You can make and all of this is going to be on the PLR website, right? They're going to have all kinds of stuff that you can take from there. They have what's called email swipes and the like that you can use to make copy to build your web page, and it will have keywords in it. All right. But you go there, you sign up for the free trial for Builderall, and you'll learn how to build these simple websites. Okay, it's very simple. Like I said, now I can do one in like 30 minutes. If you have all the pictures and the copy that you need, it's just copy and paste, cut and paste, you know, back and forth, and it's pretty simple. And you get them ranked on Google, and when people search it, you come up, and it's already optimized for sales. Okay, so you know, and it's let me show you. If I go back to over here. All right, so we're on this page, and I'm going to go to the Pinnacle page here, the JV page. JV page is joint venture. They're going to have stuff on this page that'll help you sell things. So it's going to go live in 29 days. It says it right up here. Let me just, right? So you're going to earn 100% commissions on the first one, right? And you're going to get your affiliate link, so that when they click the link, you're going to put the affiliate link on your website, and when they click the link, you're going to make money, right? You're going to get it because the affiliate link is going to be cookied to you, so they know it was you that sent them to you. The product is the podcast marketing school. Now, I don't want to push this product because it could be any product. I'm just trying to say, this is all the stuff that they have that you can copy and paste and build your own website, right? That they have a funnel. Once you get them involved, once you send them to the funnel, it's already optimized for sales. They'll go through them. They'll go through the funnel, and you'll make sales. Okay. Now, email swipes also, they have already made for you sales letters that you can send as emails. And you can also use those also as copy for your website to make a website. All right. So I'm getting like way ahead of myself. It's doable. You can go to YouTube University. Okay. Go to youdidn'tknow.live, find my YouTube channel, go to YouTube University, and all the information is there for free. Okay. You just got to search it. And